Real quick and show you just a really quick idea for a snack or brunch or lunch, whatever, something filling but light. So I have a piece of toast already, toasted of course, tomato and avocado, and then salt and pepper just for seasoning. So let me grab, and I've already kind of pre-cut this, but all I'm going to do is just add my avocado on here and just kind of even it out. Doesn't have to be perfect. The way I see it, it's going to be eaten anyways. And then let me cut my tomato. Okay, so I've cut my tomato and added it. All I'm going to do is just kind of season it up with a little bit of sea salt. And again, you can use any kind of salt you like, but I like sea salt. It kind of gives it a different flavor. And just a little bit of black pepper. Just very little, but I like these flavors. So yeah, there you go. A very easy lunch. For me, this is lunch, guys. But this is not everything I'm gonna eat. Okay, so here is what this finished product looks like. Again, it's just a piece of toast with avocado, tomato, a little bit of sea salt and pepper, and I added fruit to my plate just to be a little more filling. And it's just a blend of melon, honeydew, grapes, pineapple, and of course water. Here is a different option with an over easy egg. You can also do scrambled and poached. For more recipes like this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. What would you like to see next for lunch or brunch?